What's up YouTube? It's Hot Horse here with Tasty Tracker and got a quick small account challenge update. Last we spoke was Friday, so I did put a position on Tuesday that was opening an Amazon position, and I closed BABA and Square. So BABA had been the position that had been losing for quite some time, and it was close to expiration, so I finally went ahead and closed it for a big loss 509, and then the Square was a 124 gain. Then on Monday of this week I closed Amazon. That's not the same position that I had opened up. This was for the December expiration, so it would expire this week, and that was a 146 profit. And then I opened up Apple as well. So let's go over to the portfolio. We can see what we've got. So no more positions on for December. Kind of have a already a lighter January expiration. Some of those have come off. So the Amazon position I put on was for January, and then the Apple position I put on was for February. I did add this new outstanding premium. That was a feature request. So we can see here that I have a potential to make another 1,400 just for the January cycle and 1,800 for the February cycle. Of course, I typically only am aiming for half of that, so we'll see. Anyway, if I go over to Tastyworks here, we can see currently the account's been going between 72 to 76, 100, somewhere in that range. And the Amazon position that I put on is sitting nicely and is already up $20, no biggie. And then the Apple position, although Apple's up today once the market opens, so I expect that we'll be breaking even on that one, but yeah, you can see my cushion is nice. So overall chart looks good. Dollar General down here with, currently down by half. That is the, two positions, and they're both for 210. So if we pull up DG's chart here, it's kind of at the bottom of a range a bit, and 210 you can see is right where my cursor is, so it doesn't have much to go. It's trading around the 205 area. So so $5 definitely possible, and we can see the RSI MACD is pretty extended at this point, and it's hopefully bouncing off of the 50-day SMA here. Only thing concerning, I think, to me is the good amount of red volume. So with that said, though, it didn't go anywhere. This support held at around 205, 206. So I actually entered in another position on another account, but for DG, but anyway, for this account, that one's down, although I have faith that it will come back around. So let's look at Amazon, and then we'll look at Apple. Amazon has been, let me see if I can, there we go. Amazon has been trading really tightly in this range going into this wedge. Obviously, it could turn either way, but with the holidays coming up, and honestly, I think the convenience people experienced during COVID as far as Amazon is concerned, I've said it before, they'll probably lose or have some reduced sales as people go out to brick and mortar again, but some things can't be unseen, and I know I always used Amazon a lot, and I use them even more now. I have more subscribe and save items set up now. So, not to mention that retail's not their only revenue stream. So let's go to Apple. Apple down here has been support, the 120 area. So actually, even though we're not too low on RSI or MACD, I feel like it's been building a range up here, waiting for the SMAs to catch up. But it's definitely been trending in the right direction, even during this period where a lot of other stocks, like again, like I just showed you, Amazon, Microsoft, etc., have been trading sideways to down. Apple has still been trading up in a channel, so um, making higher highs. So yeah, I think here's a pretty good spot to add. And I think that covers it for the video. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you next time.